After a while, I feel like you always want to take the next step. It's like, okay, you're doing marketing, but I realize this part is about your business is horrible. And if you
Mm,
don't fix this, all the marketing in the world ain't gonna fix it, right? And I realized just, as I matured more, that I could offer more than just the marketing aspect. That's still my core strength, right? At the end of
right.
the day, like I'm looking for a closed loop in any activity. Like, what's the KPI? What's the ROI? So on and so forth. That's the way I think about it. But it's not just siloed to marketing anymore.
Yeah, I like that you have the background with marketing because a lot of business consultants don't have that, and maybe that's something they pass on to something else. So it's added value for you and even your clients. And it's cool that you wanted to dive deep into more of the root issue, which is the business than marketing. Marketing just happens to be the cherry on top, right?
I think the problem that we have sometimes is we'll treat a symptom of a problem.
Hmm.
And maybe that is your marketing, but the root cause might be something else.
Right.
And if I only treat the root cause, you're still going to have problems down the road, right? So it's you having that recognition, you being the expert saying, "Hey, look, I know you're saying you need help with this, but really it's that." That's the problem. It's like you don't have enough products or your services, don't provide enough value, whatever it is. So when you get more advanced, you're like, look, I'm done just solving symptoms. I want
Mhm.
to solve the root cause because that's going to give you the desired outcome that you're looking for.
And even now, do you like more the marketing or the business side of even your business?
I like the fact that I can wake up at 4:30 in the morning, create some content that provides value to the world, and then amplify the reach of it through digital channels.
Hmm.
So it's both. It's me being able to apply like my business savvy and help people through the content I'm creating and the partnerships I create, but then
Right.
also knowing how to use digital channels to make sure the distribution is there and that we're closing the loop and seeing the benefit of the work that I'm doing.